There's no other microphone that I know of that does what this microphone does. Do you understand what I'm saying? This is the new hybrid. All right, so this is it. This is the PD500W hybrid, and you're hearing it in all its glory right now. This thing is dope. It's amazing. It has so much packed into this that there's no way that this is a game changer. And I hate to say that because it sounds kind of cheesy or corny, but it really is, because they're going to force these other people, these other companies to create product like this. There's no other microphone that I know of that does what this microphone does. Do you understand what I'm saying? This is the new hybrid, all right? Man, this thing is so dope. I mean, it does internal 32-bit float recording. It does XLR, USB, has headphone monitoring on it. Also, it does time code. It has AI features. You know what I'm saying? You can, when you open up the app, it does crazy stuff in the app for EQs and compression and limiting. This is a game changer. And it's wireless. It's wireless right now. I got it in wireless mode. I don't got it hooked up, as you see. There's no hookup here. I'm wireless, all right? This is straight up just wireless, and it sounds this good. I'm not doing a full review today. This is just an unboxing, but I want to make sure y'all understand that they have a Kickstarter. If you go do the Kickstarter right now and support them, you can get this for $389 right now. It's going to be like $459 or something like that, something in that world, all right? So you can save like $70. Support them now on Kickstarter. I'm going to have the link in the description below. Click on the link. I get a little something, you know what I'm saying? But it don't cost you nothing extra. It just helps the channel out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But yo, I really believe in this, you know what I'm saying? Like, this sounds good. You got XLR, you got USB, you got internal recording, you got wireless, and then eventually they're gonna have, or they might have it already, I don't know. But if you back them, you'll get yours for free. They're gonna have a little receiver that you can connect to your mirrorless camera. So that's 5 ways of this thing can work for any kind of format, any platform. This got you. Whether you be on your mirrorless camera for this, your phone, your desktop, your iPad, whatever. And then they also have a dual one where you can buy 2 of these with 1 receiver. I mean, look, check out the Kickstarter. They got mad bundle deals, and if you want to support it, support it. If you're a professional and want your sound to sound good, you don't need to hook this up to nothing. That's what's dope about it. I could just keep it wireless and record internal, or not even worry about the wireless aspect of it. I'm recording internally, and I'm gonna have my audio regardless. It's a great backup just in case something goes wrong. You got it internally, which is very, very important, especially when you're doing podcasting or anything that's important, man. You know what I mean? Record internally. It saved me a bunch of times, for real though. But I'm just saying, man, like, I love that this is happening again. You know, y'all other companies, I know, man, you know, they on you. They on you tough, because this the future right here. They just created the future, man. I mean, they sent this out to me, and I appreciate that they sent this out for me to check it out, to review, or to see what's going on with it, to give them feedback or whatever. But yo, this is just, it's just dope. You know what I'm saying? Whether they sent this out to me or not, I would actually have purchased this, because it's just an amazing product that has been very needed. You know what I'm saying? So Maono is definitely stepping up. They doing a lot, and I just wanted to show it to you. This is a quick unboxing. I'm gonna be doing the full review very soon, so look out for that. But anyway, that's it. That's all I got for you, man. Just want to do a quick unboxing, talk about this. Go to the Kickstarter, man. Support them. Save some money, man, because this is the real. This is the future, man. You know what I mean? Make sure you catch up. Get with Maono. They doing their thing, man, all day long. I'm telling y'all, I don't steer you wrong. I never steer you wrong. So believe me, this is dope. It's the future. Keep learning, keep creating, and I'll get back to you soon, all right? I'm out.